Alright, here's a quick one. I'm really excited. I got Tuffy helping me here. And on the XR80, I know I've been calling it an XL80, but it's actually an XR80. We had a bent valve situation. You can tell because of the way it is. I thought, oh boy, here we go. So I ordered this kit off of the Zondel, the Amazondel, and this was $21. And I'm shocked. It came with both valves, and it came with new springs even, new spring perches, new valve stem seals, and even new retainers. So how neat is that? How neat is that? And then, just for giggles, I'm going to measure the old one. The old one is 28.0. The new ones are 29.1 on the small guys. And on the big ones, 34.0. And the new one is 35.6. So see that? That makes a big difference. So we're gonna have good springage. And I figure as long as I got the head in my grill, might as well get one of these things. And yeah, this hone costs twice as much as all this stuff. So I'm gonna get some ATF, alcohol, tobacco, and firearm juice, and I'm gonna just ream this through there tomorrow probably. And then I got some valve grinding compound. This is pretty coarse, but a friend of mine gave it to me. So what I do is I just put a little bit on the back side of the valves, and I've always had problems getting those suction cup thingies to stick. So what I do, I just take the drill and just gently, and I mean gently, make sure there's oil in the race, and I'll just gently go like this on slow and go the other way, and then that's it. I'll just do that a couple of times, and then you gotta forensically clean that. So obviously I'm gonna put this in the ultrasonic tomorrow, pop off these valves, the old hard valve stem seals. I'm gonna hone this. You want to do it from the bottom because it's slightly tapered. And then I'll put both of these in the ultrasonic with with Brian's VT 1100 carburetor fuel make it happeners. But yeah, that's what we got. I tried to bend that back, but you can't really do that. It's got just that slight little wobble to it. See that? So that proves that the exhaust valve sort of made out with the piston a little bit, but no damage to the rest of the motor. So I'll catch you on the flipper. Thanks for coming. Hit the one right there. Yeah, that's the one that you want. Join the Beans Battalion.